The World Bank in Somalia, path to development or dead end. The World Bank, one of the most powerful financial institutions in the world, has had a complicated and controversial relationship with Somalia for more than 60 years. What is the World Bank? The World Bank was created in 1944 after World War II. Its mission is to lend money and give advice to countries to support development projects such as roads, schools, health systems, and infrastructure. But the money usually comes with conditions. Countries are often required to make economic reforms in exchange for loans or debt relief. Somalia's early relationship with the World Bank. Somalia became a member of the World Bank in 1962. At first, Somalia received loans to support development and modernization. By the 1970s and 1980s, however, Somalia was struggling with debt and turned to the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, IMF, for financial support. During the 1980s, the World Bank introduced structural adjustment programs, SAPs, in Somalia. These programs demanded that Somalia devalue its currency, cut government spending, remove subsidies on food and fuel, privatize state-owned companies, open its markets to foreign goods. Impact of the reforms. While these policies were supposed to fix Somalia's economy, they had negative effects on ordinary people. Food and fuel prices rose sharply. Farmers and pastoralists lost government support. Many civil servants lost their jobs. Schools and hospitals suffered from budget cuts. The Somali government became weaker, poverty increased, and frustration among the people grew. Many African scholars argue that these reforms deepened Somalia's problems instead of solving them. Collapse and return. After Somalia's government collapsed in 1991, the country lost access to most World Bank financing for more than 2 decades. The bank only offered limited humanitarian support through international partners. In 2013, the World Bank began to re-engage with Somalia, focusing on rebuilding state institutions. In 2020, Somalia officially restored full relations with the bank, opening the door to new loans and grants. In 2023, Somalia reached a major milestone. Large portions of its external debt were cancelled under an international debt relief program. Today's situation. Currently, the World Bank is one of the biggest financial partners for Somalia. It funds projects in infrastructure, public finance, and governance reforms. Somalia now receives concessional loans and grants to rebuild its economy. But critics warn, Somalia risks becoming dependent on external aid again. Economic reforms may be designed for the benefit of foreign investors, not Somali farmers and workers. Strict conditions could limit Somalia's ability to make its own independent economic policies. Why it matters. The history of the 1980s shows that reforms can harm ordinary people if they are not carefully designed. That is why many experts say Somalia must negotiate cautiously with the World Bank today, ensuring that policies truly serve the Somali people, not just foreign lenders.